Forget the $997 online courses. Here's the real power washing blueprint that can make you $100 a day, step by step, for free. Power washing is one of the simplest side hustles to start. You don't need a degree, you don't need a huge budget, just the right tools, a little hustle, and a plan. To get started, here's what you'll need. A beginner-friendly pressure washer, usually around $200 to $300. You'll also need a hose, gloves, and a spray nozzle. If you want to tackle tougher stains, you can grab some cleaning solution too. And hey, you can even rent a machine for $40 a day to test the business before buying. Most homeowners pay $100 to $200 for a standard driveway. Bigger properties or add-ons like patios and sidewalks can bring in $250 or more. Here's a simple formula. Small driveway equals $100. Driveway plus sidewalk is about $150 to $200. And if you offer a bundle deal, you're looking at $250 or more. Finding clients is easier than you think. Try this. Offer neighbors a first-time discount. Post before and after photos on Facebook Marketplace and Nextdoor. Print simple flyers and leave them on doorsteps. The results speak for themselves. People really love clean driveways. Here's the math. Just one driveway a day means $100. 2 driveways gets you $200. Work one weekend and you're looking at $400 or more. That's extra income most people overlook, from a tool you can rent for cheap. So there you have it. The free step-by-step blueprint to making $100 a day power washing. If you want more unsexy but profitable side hustles, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because honestly, sometimes the boring jobs are the ones that pay the best.